Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create hyperlink in Excel, or you can connect the different Excel sheet with the master sheet. So let's begin. First of all, I will teach you how you can connect the different the different files that are existing in your system, and you want to create a hyperlink here, or you want to connect with these documents with the Excel sheet, with the master sheet. I mean, here I'm giving this sheet. This is my main sheet, and the name of this sheet is master sheet. So I would like to connect all the other sheet, or all the other document with this sheet. So let's begin with the first one. I would like to connect the JPG file with this sheet. So what is the procedure? You have to select the cell, go to the insert tab, click on it, and then go to the option here on the link, click on it, and then click on insert link option. When you click on this option, it will give you a panel where you can see there are four options: existing file or a web page you can connect, place in this document, whatever in this document sheets are available, you can connect with them with each other, and create a new document, and email address. So first go with the first option. So I would like, because I am selecting the JPG cell here, so I would like to connect the JPG image with this Excel sheet. Select the JPG and click on it. Okay, so you see this, the font of this cell is changed. It means this cell is linked with the JPG image. When you click on it, it will open a JPG image for you. Similarly, if I would like to connect the PDF, Word and PPT, you can connect very easily by following the same procedure. Select the cell, go to insert tab, press the link option, insert link option, and then select the PDF file. This is a PDF file, but mistakenly written here a Word. Click on it, press OK. So the format of the PDF is changed. Now you can check. Click on it, it will open a PDF for you. So follow the same procedure. Go to the insert tab, press the link option, insert link, select the Word file. Okay. For the PPT, same, go to the link option, insert, select PPT. So all the formats are linked with the Excel file. Now you read something on internet and very valuable, and you don't want to lose that information, or you want to revisit this page again and again. So you can also connect the any web page with your Excel sheet. Like the same procedure, go to the insert tab, press link option, go to the insert link, and here if you see there's an option address. So if you know your web address, go to that page, copy the link. Like I can show you here, I copy the link here of my YouTube channel. So copy this, go to Excel, in the Excel file, paste this address here, and press OK. So you see your website is connected. Press on it, it will open a channel link for you, or your web page, any information. If you read an article, it will open an article for you. If you want to open a specific site, it will open a specific site for you. So easy. So if you want to connect any Excel sheet, like here I have a 1 2 3 4 5 sheets, I want to connect with them. Like I will show you how you can connect the sheet. I will, for example, I will connect two sheets here. I want to revisit this sheet again and again, and you have a lot of sheets. You cannot, it will be difficult for you to find where it is. So to connect the sheet, what you should do, the same procedure. Go here, select the cell which you want to link, go to the insert tab, go to the link option, insert link. Now this time you have to select their link to option 2, place in this document. So I want to connect my master sheet with the allowance sheet. So I will click highlight or click the allowance sheet and press OK. Now my allowance sheet is connected. So if you want to connect another sheet, logo sheet, so you should select this cell. Similar procedure you should follow. Go to the insert tab, go here in link option, press the insert link option, and this time again you will select the second option, and here you will select the logo sheet and press OK. Now both of your sheets are connected. You can see when you click on it, it will directly take you to the desired sheet where you want to go. And on what you can do, you can also create a link here, like back option. If you want to go back, or you can say back to master sheet. If you want to go to the back to the master sheet, you can also create a link here. Select this cell and go to the insert tab, press click, insert link, and this time you can select the master sheet to go back. Click on it, it will directly take you back to the master sheet. Now there's another kind of links you can also create. For examples, you have other sheets where you have other tables. You create a tables, or you create the list of the items. Like in stationery, you create a list of stationery what you want. You decided what the items you want in the field where you are going for hiking or for camping, and the utensils you need during this trip. And what do you want to see only the total of these things. So how you can connect with the master sheet? You have to select the cell where you want to see the total value, press is equals to, like allowance sheet, I will go press the allowance sheet, go here, and I want to see this total of all, grand total you mean. So this is the allowance you need. Same for the stationery. Select the cell, head is equals to, go to stationery sheet, and the total is here. Select the cell, hit enter. For the field item, same, select the cell where you want to see the total, it is equals to, go to the field item sheet, select the grand total, hit enter. Then for the utensils, select the cell, it is equals to, go to utensils. Then for the utensils total, select the utensil total, hit enter, and you see here all the totals are here. And if you want to see the sum of all, you can write here grand total and select the cell, go to the home option, auto sum, and hit enter. So it will give you that much amount you want for your field trip or whatever you are planning, this budget you need. Also here I want to tell you why this connection is important, why we need this connection. Because whenever you see, okay, the cost of this item is changed or increased, like 5,000, it was before 1,400 something, so the cost is different now. You don't need to worry about the master sheet, it will automatically update here the value. Let if I press Ctrl Z, and if you see the previous value was for the stationery 20,539, and when you increase the cost like 50,000 or whatever, 5,000, I mean 50,000, if you go to the master sheet, you see the cost of the stationery is changed. So whatever you change in the other sheet, you don't need to worry about the master sheet. It will automatically update here, and your total will be revised or changed. So this is how you can create a summarized sheet, or the link, or you can link the other sheet with the Excel sheet. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.